Hi to all. Uh, this is Venkateshwarlu. So I belongs to Andhra Pradesh, Ongole district. So I would like to say something about the SIM expert. So actually, I have started my career in another domain. Actually, I am not belongs to the cyber security. So I have started my career in another domain. So on that domain, so we didn't get perfect path. Uh, so we are getting a lot of pressures and different. So we are getting the very less salaries and we are taking a lot of pressures. And on that time, so I'm searching. I would like to change my path to the another domain. So on that time, I founded in LinkedIn with the SIM expert. So I read the total content which are present in LinkedIn. So I have called to the Sulabh. So this is I'm so and so. So I want to change to the cyber security domain. So on that time, so this Sulabh suggested me that so you can change your path to the cyber security. There is no any issue. So that's why I have started to learn in cyber security. So actually, I had taken the recording classes, not to live sessions. So I have taken the live session along with the recording sessions also. Then I have completed my training in a 1.5 month. So in a 1.5 month period, I have completed my training. So in this training period, so I have learned a lot of new things about the cyber security and with the live scenarios. So I hope so that no one has been provided this kind of lab setup and this kind of environment to anywhere in India. So why? Because it's a cyber security is a very critical one. So no one will provide it. That's a live lab environment. So the SIM expect will provide this live lab environment and so live classes, and some classes will give they will give the recorded sessions also. Then it's in a better it's in a better institute to learn the cyber security. I'm suggesting you all to learn the cyber. If anyone want to start their career in the cyber security, so definitely I will recommend the SIM expert. So actually, let's come to my panel. I have completed my training. So on my first interview, I cracked the interview. Yes, in my first interview, I had cracked my interview. It's in one of the leading MNC in India. So then, so another also after that also I am getting the lot of interviews and lot of things. So I'm moving on that. So what I'm for the my suggestion. So if anyone they want to change the career into the cyber security, the SIM Expect is the best platform in our India to change their career. I am recommend you guys so you can learn the life scenario. So in the interview point of view that so without having the life scenario knowledge, you didn't face any kind of interview. I'm sure about that. So based on the life scenarios only you can gain the knowledge. So I recommend you guys. So anybody to want the change their career to cyber security, the SIM Expect is the best platform, the best institute in our India to learn the cyber security. That's all. Thank you.